What's up, everybody? Welcome to Electric Buddha, and today we're going to go into how much money you make driving Uber and Lyft. This is a question that a lot of people have been asking, so let's go ahead and get into it. I'm not going to waste anybody's time, but when you drive like Uber and Lyft and you have their like rental car program, I mean, pretty much in my experience, you're making about 850 bucks a week working, 40 hours, and if you want to do 60 hours, 70 hours, work 6 days, 7 days, something like that, you can make 1,200 a week. I think you make more if you have your own car, but you got to pay for your own like repairs and stuff like that. Really, the reason I'm here is I typically don't like doing those kinds of jobs, and I'm trying to get people into this. I'm a leveraged trader, and I got a video of how I made $14,500 in one day while I was driving Lyft, and that was in August, right when the market conditions were good again. I mean, the market conditions were bad for the last several months because of the Putin war, but I'm also doing a video of how I made $3,000 last night. If you're not trading, you're gonna get stuck, unfortunately, doing gig work and stuff you don't want to be doing, in my opinion, right? So, I mean, a lot of people are doing that while they're looking for the thing that they want to do. I highly suggest checking this out, checking out the rest of my videos. The links are in the description, but right now, Lyft has a $2,100 sign-on bonus. I have that promo code down there. That's the Austin, Texas area. It's more for other areas. It might be less for other areas, but that's a special thing going on right now. End of 2022. That's a high bonus. I suggest getting on it. That's new and returning drivers. And Uber also has a pretty substantial sign-on bonus for new and returning drivers as well. I think it was $1,540 in the Austin area last time I checked. So this is Electric Buddha. Subscribe to my channel, and I will show you how to print. Check out BingX. They have a copy trading program where you can have other people trade your assets for you, and you pay them a small percentage. That's a really good passive income. I mean, I think the goal is to not work anymore. So follow my channel, and I will demonstrate how this is done. Peace out. Good luck out there. Electric Buddha out.